This is a sad moment.
You made all that fuss for 10
Do you
fries.
see that shit? You see that shit? DITLO. Good morning, my blurry buddy. Hi, Pop. This being right here is iconic truly because this is a cinnamon. Is it called diffuser? No. Oil sticks. What are these oil sticks called? It's not incense. It's not a diffuser. Maybe it is a diffuser. Is it a diffuser? Morning! So Ken went to work. I am currently catching up on my editing because yesterday was a travel day and it was impossible, and the day before was the gala, and you know, she had no time. I have one of my favorite tea. This is from Trader Joe's. It's the like mint green tea, mint white tea. Oh god, I don't even know. It's a jug. Let me show you what it looks like. This watermelon we bought a couple days ago is still here. See? It's this one. What is this? Oh, I was right both times. It's green and white tea with mint. Oh, let me also show you the things I got at Buffer Festival. The free tings. Because, you know, your girl loves a free ting. We got some socks from Kahlua, which honestly I love Kahlua, so I appreciate these. Then these other socks, these are cute. We got a little chunk of soap. This is coffee and vetiver. It smells delicious. Here, smell it. And then also a matching chapstick. This is what I'm really happy about. I so desperately needed one of these. What is this called again? A hard drive, that's what it is. And then also, I love the Edgy Veg. She just had like books for everyone at Buffer Festival. How amazing is that? I love her. I am happy to be home. The Buffer Festival was, I mean, amazing and iconic as always. I had Tim Hortons at least 3 times. Got to see some of my family. It's always so last minute, so like, some years I get lucky and like, by the time they give everyone the schedule, I can be like, oh hey, I'm free this small window chunk of time. Can I see as many of you as possible? And then sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Last year I only saw one of my cousins, Alexander, if you saw last year's Buffer Festival's vlogs. And that was by accident because we like just happened to walk in to his place of work, and we didn't even know that. I didn't even know that he worked there. My cousin's here. So a beaver tail, it's a lot of dough and sugar. Okay.
And we put your choice of topping on there, so we can put Nutella, maple, cinnamon sugar.
Is that one right there?
And then, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm stretching it right now.
So we're gonna do it, even though like I'm still full from what we just ate.
You have a second stomach for dessert.
That's true. So I saw 2 of my cousins, a couple, Nick and Ning, and they're actually, so Nick is my dad's cousin, and I know in some cultures, like in Filipino culture, they would be considered my aunt and uncle. And that honestly, that makes a lot more sense because like generationally speaking, they're the same age as my parents. So what do you call them? I know a lot of you are like, I don't even know who my parents' cousins are. That's okay. What would you call them? I'm curious because me and Ken had this like conversation multiple times because in his family, they would be Tito and Tita. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go now, bye. Hey, what did I tell you about toys on the rug? Get your powder out. Good. Hey. I said no toys on the rug. Susie's here! And my food just came too. Potato salad, a po' boy, a cornbread. I think this is my hush puppies. Yes, Cajun food. Come true.
You can show them your gourmet croissants.
Oh, true. Susie gave me her croutons, but she already done had hers. I ate them. You can play with it, bud, just not on the rug. This is a sad moment.
You made all that fuss for 10
Do you
fries.
see that shit? You see that shit?
There's like a pile of hot fries, like the world's biggest like pile of hot fries. Or if you only had 2 fries in the bag left, then I could get it. Oh my god. Your bag actually looks more full than when you buy it. I know. That's why you don't have any. It's more full. She turned into a hot rod.
So we are at IKEA right now. So much has happened. Wow.
I know, right?
What does that say, Susie?
IKEA, see? IKEAR. You just did for like 20 seconds. Look, do it again.
Just yoga?
Katie, do it again.
Just
Do it
this?
again. Sims goals, and they have like the different styles of music, and they dance differently to the different styles of music.
That's one of them.
Oh yeah!
Ooh, it's like a sim dance party.
Sim dance off.
Oh, hey. Yeah. This is my favorite. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. I'm just trying to. I'm trying to.
Here, I'm controlling it. I was like, oh, just Susie. I'm like. That's weird. Oh yeah. Where's this is the weirdest thing. Tuesday night. Thank you.
So, how's everyone else? Oh my gosh, we need a new couch so bad. The like little pleather pieces are chipping off. Like this.
Yeah.
It's all chipping. Gross. So we hide it with a blanket currently.
Even if we got like this skin, like this is a 10-year warranty.
Oh my gosh, and it's only $3.99.
I mean, we're not getting this, but the, like material-wise, like
Yeah.
10 years.
I like big obnoxious chairs like this, but I feel like I'd get tired of it really fast.
Yeah.
My chair.
My chair.
This house is bigger than my apartment.
860 square feet.
Yeah, I think our apartment's 560.
Big room for love.
Oh, I can't do it. Ooh,
I love this one a lot.
This is so dope.
I like that.
Yeah.
With the like little lights inside.
Couch is everything.
Yeah, it looks so good with the dark.
Right?
So I just casual like.
I gotta get out of here. I'm too red. I was like,
iPad. What is the iPad doing here?
Oh, it's the one that's stuck to the table, I think. Isn't it?
We're like this. I feel like I need to get
Yeah.
one of these.
An iPad?
Oh,
it's stuck to that too.
At first I thought it's only $5.99, but it's $15.99.
How long do you think it would take for them to find me like sleeping in one of these closets? Like what if we tried to sleep here overnight?
Oh, I wish we could.
Would there be... I feel like there are definitely hiding spots. Like we could just like sleep in a closet that they don't check or something.
I doubt they check every closet.
Yeah.
But they probably have motion sensors.
Well, we'll just have to be like really still, you know?
Yeah, I'm sure everyone's really good at that.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Do you see?
sighting of Christmas trees.
The Christmas is coming. Look at this. Oh my god, I want to hear all of these songs. Ornaments. I've never been so happy to see so many balls. You're right. Oh, I wonder if I might get more food. I think I'm gonna get, if it's open. It looks open. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and get more food.
What?
I'm gonna get food. Excuse me. Yes. Amen. Bless. Of course, before I left the house, I thought it was uploading, and then really it just stopped. Also, Ken's home. Yeah. Are you turning your body around? Wait, what? How? Wait, how are you doing that?
I'm just trying to tilt it, like,
Did you cut out your whole body?
yeah. I took 2 photos.
Oh my gosh. Also, I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get some beverage. What, buddy? Hi. See your tail. Okay. What does she want? Ooh, I forgot I got cornbread in here. I want a black cherry one. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out how to fix this vlog uploading. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.